Hello everyone, my name is Cody. I am an 18-year-old artist who is also an art student. Today I kind of started my day really early. I started my pre-studio courses, which is fairly intensive, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. And today I am working on my homework, which is contour drawings, which can be very difficult, especially outside in the weather. Today I want to talk about a couple of things. One being the fact that I am moving onto campus to start trying to be a full-time artist and also an illustrator and get a degree in that. On top of that, I wanted to talk about my income as an artist. So I want to say in 2023 I really started my poetry. That was like kind of the first thing that kind of started getting the ball rolling, was my poetry. I attended open mics, I attended all different sorts of events, and I actually did end up getting paid $600 for an open mic and a Q&A. That was one of my first biggest paying roles. That was like kind of making connections at open mics or free events that I would attend or be invited to. I guess that alone made me learn that networking was like kind of my biggest thing that was going to get my foot in the door. At the end of 2025, beginning of 2026, I actually stopped doing that. I love poetry, and I still do poetry whenever I have free time. I just kind of did not really enjoy trying to pursue it as much as I did with art. Even before, I actually thought I was going to go to a different school to actually major in creative writing. But of course, having multi things of passions, it makes it difficult to decide. But then I decided to go to an art school. And that's what I'm starting in the fall, which I'm actually moving on to campus fairly soon. So I'm going to make a whole vlog about that. So, as I got started with my art career, it was more of not just getting my work out there, but finding people I connect with. I posted very rarely on my Instagram, which my Instagram is still currently growing. Probably when I started really posting, I was at 50 followers. And even within the last month, I gained around 40-something followers. Currently, my account rests at 228, with 15,000 or more monthly views, which is not pretty bad in my opinion, especially with my inconsistent posting. For YouTube, I kind of loved doing shorts for a bit, but I really wanted to start doing longer form content, which is what I'm now doing. And my current subscriber count is 173. Now with these followers, you wouldn't expect me to be able to really make money off of my art, but I have. within 2026, I actually have gotten 3 commissions and have sold a couple art prints. I don't remember the total amount, but all I know is I've made over $1,000 in profit in 2026. Now, that doesn't seem like a lot, but it is a lot based off of the fact that I'm not really marketing myself on social media or selling my originals. I do want to sell my originals at some point, but I really do like them and I kind of have that emotional connection with them, so I'm not really in the mood to sell them just yet. Now, over the $1,000, of course, a lot of people don't consider that it's not my actual take-home pay. There is 35% that gets put aside for taxes, because if you make over a certain amount, depending where you are, you actually have to start paying the government because you make money. On top of that, it's my supplies and all of that. Currently, I actually just finished up a commission and I'm waiting to be paid $500 for it, which were these invitations and save the date. I think I just need to finish slideshow elements, which is digitally, which I like making elements for different things, whether it be invitations or anything, because digitally I feel like I have more of a profit margin than I do if I do physical artwork. Because physical artwork I have to consider, am I charging per hour, plus materials, plus all of that. It's just too much. Now, why did I want to pursue art? I wanted to pursue art mainly because why not? I mean, it's difficult sometimes when I don't have any ideas, but overall, I really do love creating artwork. Now, how do you make money off of art? Well, that can be a little difficult to think about. You can go many different routes. You can make an art book, you can make stickers, you can make prints, you can sell originals, you can do commissions. It's all different types of things, or even most popular mail clubs. Now, I will say, probably if you want to go the sticker route, you can do Etsy, you can do Squarespace, you can do any of those. But something that I found is if there's a bookstore that you live nearby that does sell stickers, they have a point of contact where you can contact them and send over a portfolio. I mean, genuinely walk into the store, go up to whoever's working and just ask them and be like, hey, I am an artist, I live nearby, I make this, and this, XYZ. And they will most likely pull out if there's someone there, there's going to be someone to talk to, but usually they'll give you a little contact card of, this is the person who you contacted, who you emailed. I did that a few times to 3 separate bookstores, and I did get a response for each and every one of them, which is very nice. So I guess the main thing is just you can't fear everything.